a lot of clients that come into the clinic, and all of a sudden we'll get them latched and they're breastfeeding, and we'll hear this clicking sound that at the breast. There's a few things that could be going on with that. Number one I see is that the milk ejection is so fast. It's like a fire hose coming on baby. And that will help make them kind of lose their grip and suction. So if you're experiencing a fast letdown, take baby off, let them catch their breath, express your milk a little bit in a nursing pad or a burp cloth, and then put baby back on, and that should be fine. The other thing is there could actually be a tongue tie, or the baby could have a torticollis or some kind of misalignment in their jaw from delivery or from when they were in utero. If they're like pushing their, you always see their pictures where they have their fist up into their chin. That just causes it to be a little crooked when they first come out, and it just needs a little body work to get things back where they need to be. So if you're experiencing any of those and want to explore it further, go see a lactation consultant, or you can set up a virtual lactation consultation with our team. But let's put that detective hat on again, and let's figure out what's going on.